Example 3. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by fx is equal to mod x. Fx is equal to mod x at x is equal to 0. By the definition of the mod function, if we break the mod function, then it is going to be fx is equal to if we break the mod function, then x is negative if x is less than 0 and x is positive if x is equal to and greater than 0. Then first of all we are going to find out the f of 0 for this function. Then when we put 0 in the function, then it is going to be f of 0, and for the values then -0 and 0, x less than 0 and x greater than 0. -0 is equal to 0. So what we have next, that is limit. Now function is defined at x is equal to 0 because f of 0 is 0 for the function. So we can say that function is defined at x is equal to 0. Now we are going to find out the limit, and for this function, because this is a mod function, so for the mod function we are going to find out the left hand limit first, and after that we can check the right hand limit, and both are equal or not. After calculation we can find out. Okay, first we are going to see the left hand limit. Left hand limit LHL, that is left hand limit x tends to 0 minus, and this is fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, and at the place of fx we can put mod x, and mod x because we are trying to find out the left hand limit. So for the left hand limit the function value is going to be -x, so this is going to be -x, and if we find out the 0 minus at the place of x, so it is going to be 0 because it is already in negative, and it is just slightly negative, which is just slightly left to the 0. We can take approximately it is going to be 0. And for the right hand limit, for RHL, limit fx for the right hand limit x tends to 0 plus, and this is going to be for this limit fx for 0 plus we have x, function value for the 0 plus is going to be x, so we can take the next step, limit x tends to 0 plus, and here we can write x, and if we find out the function's value, it is going to be 0. So this is going to be LHL, left hand limit, is equal to right hand limit. And function's value is f of 0, which is 0. So the function's value is coinciding at x is equal to 0. So we can say that function is continuous at x is equal to 0. F is continuous at x is equal to 0.